I'm Sara Fabel and I'm a tattoo artist and an artist. I started doing graphic designing. After a while, I missed working with people. Because doing graphic designing, you're basically just working on the computer. So I started modeling, doing things like that, where I could collaborate with people. And eventually that led into me tattooing, which was like the perfect combination of spending time with people, getting to talk to people, learning stories, but yet still doing art and getting paid to do the most amazing, most fun job ever. I tattoo plastic surgeons, NASA scientists, astronauts, United Nations diplomats. Like, that is mind-blowing. To be able to say that that's my clientele is something that makes me feel so beyond blessed and happy. I use Jotform because in tattooing you have to have two forms. One is a booking form, and then when they do come for the tattoo, they need the second form, which is a consent form. I'm able to pull all that information up, which includes their medical history, and I get to see like how much deposit they paid and everything important that I need. It just makes it so much easier. It's easier for me, my assistant, and the client because they don't have to print, they don't have to scan, they don't have to call, they just do everything on their phone. To me, incorporating other things with Jotform like Square is really easy for me. Sometimes tattoos are really expensive, unfortunately. So on a day you can spend like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. To have a client walking around with that much cash in their pocket is scary, especially if I'm doing a guest spot in a studio that's not in the best area. I want my clients to be comfortable in being able to just bring a card. I draw and tattoo all the time. Like, my whole week is nothing but drawing and tattooing, and I love it. I love it so much. But when you have to get into the not so fun parts of business, like forms and payments and organization, it kind of gets you down. So having programs that help you do things with the least amount of time makes you be able to use your time more efficiently in things that actually do make you money. I'm Sara Fabel and I work and live in Los Angeles, and I use Jotform on a daily basis.